Hello, it's Sunday, January 24th, 2016, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX.com's Trading Support Center. This is your Week in Review. Today we will discuss some of the major financial events of the past week and how they impacted the currency and commodity markets. After some positive movement last week, the Euro-US dollar is back down. The pair dropped in value by 78 pips, ending the trading week at $1.0796. Also turning around from last week, the British pound US dollar went up by 44 pips, closing Friday at a $1.4265 price point. Taking note was the Australian dollar US dollar pair and a more subtle 3-pip jump, ending the week at a value of $0.7002. Taking a big hit was the US dollar CAD. The North American currency pair dropped by a total of 147 pips, resulting in a 1.4119 CAD exchange rate. Towards the end of last week, crude oil started recuperating slightly from its year-long downward trajectory. A barrel of West Texas Intermediate went up by 9.01%, bouncing back above the $30 mark, closing at $32.19. Similarly, Brent Oil went up by price by 10.02%, ending the week at $32.18 a barrel. Gold didn't fare as well. An ounce of COMEX Gold dropped by 0.17%, closing at $1,096.30. Gold spot followed suit, dropping by 0.30% down to a $1,097.95 an ounce point. Recording positive movement at last week's end were major U.S. indices. After a troublesome first few weeks of the year, the Dow increased in value by 1.33%, up to 16,093.51. The S&P 500 recorded a 2.03% jump, closing Friday at 1,906.90. Lastly, the Nasdaq went up by 2.66%, ending the trading week at 4,591.18 value point. And that's our summary of the financial headlines from the past week. We hope that you've enjoyed this week's review and that you'll tune in tomorrow morning as we kick off the new trading week with the latest top market news. Until then, be sure to log into UFX.com for all of your trading needs. Your personal trading consultant is ready to answer all of your questions. UFX Trading Support Center wishes you a successful trading week.